use the word casually, establishment. Why don't we use the word honestly, army? There does not apparently appear to be any interference. You may allege there is, but you know, the overt kind of stuff, unless you point out, matters are coming, the elections are not being held. It was your own petition we argued, which we pressed it in 12 days. We got the date, you were happy, everybody was happy when. So access to courts is there. It's not that nobody allowed you to file. Making allegations on the media or outside unnecessarily undermines constitutional institution, which does not mean you should not make these allegations if they are true. Now, the very same Election Commission has issued you the notice to hold elections as far back when you were in government. Can you start from there? What was the malafide then? Please read that notice, the first one, because that, from a timeline point of view, that would be very important. Because if we have to gauge whether suddenly the euphemism that is used, establishment, is weighing heavy on the Election Commission and doing something, we will certainly hear this. But then, how did they know then? When the very same establishment, surely it was not your allegation then that they were siding with the Election Commission of Pakistan. So if you're going to make it dramatic and political, then give the whole context or keep it legal. So if you're going to use, I mean, I respect every constitutional body. You said malafide in fact and law. Did we appoint them? You all appoint these people. We don't appoint them. So when you just throw an allegation is not acceptable because you don't serve Pakistan then. We need these institutions. We can make them better. If they're not doing their job, force them to do the job. That's our job. But we cannot take on their responsibilities because you'll be the first to complain. We will not take on the responsibilities of Parliament. As I have repeatedly stated, you will be the first to complain. Who is he? I'm the parliamentarian. I'll make the law. I want to. We judge the law, whether it's constitutional or not, and that's it.
बिल्कुल सही।
जरा से आप ये मैलिफिडे का जो आप एंगल अगर ले रहे हैं तो इसको सब्सटैंशिएट कीजिए। मैं जिस तरह लूंगा, changes the prism completely. Right. If they are malafide, then we look at them at very suspect eyes, or you take away this allegation. I'm not saying take it away. It's your call.
मैं जो I'll be totally non-political in my arguments, Your Lordship. Always I've not. There's no point in bringing, although it's relevant to a political party, this case, but I will keep it very legal. And on the fact, on the malafide in fact in law, I will be more relying on procedural malafide than anything else. I will not go into.
Are you withdrawing the allegation of malafide in fact? Because it's very important. You have to answer this.
When I use the word malafide in fact, maybe I was wrong in saying. In terms of
you can withdraw it if you want to. Don't withdraw it if you don't want to.
I'm not even going there into that arena. I am basically going to argue that there's a procedural clear cut on the record.
I'm noting that you are withdrawing you're not saying malafide.
I'm not saying malafide in fact.
Please proceed.
In that
you are always fair. Please proceed.
Now, Your Lordship, so I was starting by saying that symbol is a fundamental right of a political party under Article 17, Sub-Article 2.